What's up everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to automate the video player that comes with the browser. And what I mean by that, most video players actually companies built them themselves, and they actually give their own user interface. But in some cases some websites don't have those and they have the default browser video player. So if you go to this link, for example, and go with the same link right here in Firefox, you'll find that the player is actually different because each browser has its own default player. And if you do not build your own, it's going to use the default one. And some drawbacks in the default one, that if you actually try to inspect it, there's only one part of it. It's just the video tag, and then there's the source of the video, and that's it. There's no play button, there's no nothing. And if I try to actually inspect the play button, nothing will actually appear. But if you go to, let's say, YouTube and try to inspect the play button, you will actually be able to see what is the element for that, and you can definitely click it and do so on and on and on. But for this default video, we can't really do that, but we do have our workaround, which is using JavaScript. So if I go to the console right here and I want to get the time of this video, where it's actually landing on, what is this scrubber actually on. If I actually go right here and then type that $sign and then video, which is the name of the element, which is right here, and then do .get0, and .get0 is just the index. So let's say if you have two videos on the same page, I will have an index 0 and index 1, and .current time just gets you the time. So if I press enter, it shows that it's 6.368, which is actually the time that I have right there. We can actually play that video as well. So if I actually do the same thing and use the trigger command, and I type trigger, and then all you have to do, put inside of that trigger the word play, and all you have to do, press enter, and the video actually start playing. You can do the same thing with pause and so on. And this is what we're actually going to be doing using Java though. We're going to be using a Java code that triggers a JavaScript code to run those commands. So I built a small script to just get me started, which include just going to the Chrome browser, launch the browser, and then I built a small function that is wait for a few seconds, which is literally thread.sleep and a try and catch. And then I'm launching this website, which I'm going to be providing, and I'm literally going to provide this whole code for you guys. And I also have another class that just calls those functions, and then my tests will be actually here in launch video. So that's what we're going to be doing from the next tutorial. The next tutorial probably gonna be either launching the video, pausing the video, play, or so on. I'm gonna see how the flow will be going, and then I'll try to make it as easy as possible. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.